Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply share a whiteboard in Zoom. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just let's go to meeting and let's start a meeting now. And when you're here, you want to click on share, and then you're going to see the whiteboard. And here you can just easily just paint whatever. And you can change colors. You can change the size of it. You can go back. Then you can have when you want to point something, right? Then you can delete, clear all drawings. You can also clear other drawings if you want to. It's really up to you. Other people can actually paint on it. So, and you can add new whiteboard here. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.